All right guys, so today I just want to talk to you about kind of the future plans and what I have planned for the car. Some of you probably aren't going to give a shit about this, but I feel like I need to talk about it. As most of you guys, maybe not most, as some of you people may have, I like to keep a mod list for my car. You know, what I have done to it, what I want to do to it, the price of everything, and so on. I don't think it's that weird. Maybe it's a little weird. Regardless, I like to try to stay organized when it comes to the car. And currently, in the state the car is at, I had everything that was pretty much on my list, you know? I had like that phase 1 for the car, and I've kind of completed phase 1. Like, I have everything that phase 1 had on it and everything that I had on my current mod list. And I was in kind of a dry spell there where I didn't want to spend money on the car or really touch it or look at it or do literally anything to it because I was really pissed off with it. And I don't know, I feel like everyone gets their ups and downs with their cars. Like, it's not that weird. I mean, sometimes, like I said, I just never want to touch this thing. I don't want to look at it. It just kind of just like, okay, I want to look at it. I just don't want to drive it or touch it or put money into it. And now I'm at the point when like life savings just bam, right into the car. Because I start getting new ideas. You know, I'm just gonna wait because I literally don't care. So, a couple of the mods, things that I have picked out that I want to do to it. Number 1, I need a new steering wheel. Steering wheel, definitely a big thing that I just want to get rid of. I've never been a fan of the Newedge steering wheels. I think they're super outdated, super ugly. Now, a lot of the steering wheels that they have aftermarket for the Newedge, I think you have to keep the center airbag like it is unless you want to remove the whole thing, but that's, I don't want to do that. And they don't really have any like nice tan bordered ones. They used to have like a gray suede one, I think, but now it's just black and or carbon. So I'm not sure if I want to go with like a black Alcantara, if I want to go with the carbon fiber one. I don't really have any carbon fiber in the car though, so I feel like that's not going to look good. But regardless, I do want to do something with the wheel because I think it really outdates the interior. I guess staying on the interior point, I want new seats. So the seats are in great shape, so I really don't have like anything against the seats. But maybe some like Brom beige elites I think would look super sexy. I'll keep the rears because I'm assuming the beige will be a close enough color that it's not going to look awkward. And I just think, yeah, having some nice bucket seats in the car would kind of take it to that next step, that phase 2 or phase 3 point. Staying on the interior, need an Apple head unit. I mean, bro, what is this? CDs? Dude. CDs, come on, my guy. So Apple head unit in this. I mean, it's not a big priority because like I can play my music through that Bluetooth connector. Come on, I don't want to leave third. Please don't let me leave third. God damn, dude. Oh my god. So Apple head unit, steering wheel, Brom seats. That's my plan when it comes to the interior. Dude, what the f are you doing? Now, exterior. Well, first, for the exterior, I got to get in alignment. I still haven't gotten alignment since the coilovers. I kind of want to readjust them a little bit and then go get the performance alignment. It hasn't been a first priority for me because the tires on the Rovos aren't really the best. I mean, like the tires themselves are a decent tire, but I mean, I got the wheels used and the tires have decent tread, but like the sidewalls are kind of janked up and stuff, so you know, I'm not really concerned about the tires. So moving on to the exterior of things I kind of want to get done to the car. Number 1, obviously tint. As we know, my last tint appointment got canceled. I mean, not mad about it, but I mean, stuff happens. So I do want to get this thing tinted. Now I am thinking about going with a 5% super dark tint with a nice tint banner on the car. maybe a pretty low tin band or two if possible. I think it looked really aggressive, and I mean, the tint on the car right now is just god awful. I mean, literally terrible. So that's something that just needs to happen ASAP. Now, I've personally been waiting on other exterior and visual mods because they're gonna kind of be big ticket items if I really want to take this car to the next step. First cheap option is gonna be new headlights. Now, the headlights I really want are super expensive, so I probably don't think I'm gonna go with those, especially not right off the bat. I might do something like in between the ones I currently have and those. I'm not gonna tell you guys the exact ones I'm gonna get because, you know, I still want my videos to be somewhat of a surprise for you guys, but they are similar. The stage 2s are the ones that I want to get now that are pretty inexpensive, are honestly pretty similar to the ones I have now, but they have a little bit of a change. And then I want to get some nice LED headlight bulbs for it instead of converters. Next thing that I want to do is I would love to get my hands on a 99 to 01 Cobra front bumper and then do a chin spoiler on that, obviously painted in true blue. Those paired with a nice chin spoiler is probably my favorite combination on the Newedge, but they're so hard to find. So 9901 Cobra bumper with a chin spoiler or aero. Also, if possible, I would love to get like one of those Terminator or Cobra. See, I'm not sure if they're Cobra GT. I think they're Terminator, like shaved rear bumpers. I see a couple guys do it. I just don't know the exact name of it. Like, I haven't looked into it, but it looks like a bumper from the Newedge year, but it's just completely flush and shaved, and I think it just looks so nice, especially having a low car. Oh, also maybe a tiny diffuser. I know that company Carter's Customs, I think it is, has a diffuser that fits the Newedge. I don't know, I don't want a diffuser that's ridiculous, just a nice little subtle touch, having this couple fins in the back. Make it look aggressive, but also clean at the same time. Some freaking rocks on this road, Jesus. Next, I would like to get some side skirts. Now, might be going with the eBay special right off the bat. Just, I need something else on the side. The side looks really stock, and I do like the way that they look with the stock GT skirts. Damn. Sounds so good. Last two things that I have then is gonna be, hear me out, new set of wheels and tires. Now, I'm not talking like get rid of what I currently have, but maybe get something in addition to. Like, I know a lot of guys that keep their car for a while have like 3 or 4 sets of wheels that they like to rotate because it kind of just gives the car a different look. Now, this is definitely something that I'd be slightly interested in. Just because I love my Rovos, but at the same time, sometimes I get bored looking at the same basic Rovo Durbans that are on 30% of Newedge Mustangs. I do know what wheel I'd like to go with, but then it comes down to they're so expensive, including then buying freaking rubber for them. Yeesh. I don't know, man. I feel like it's gonna get a little steep, but then at the same time, it's gonna look freaking good, and I'll always get a decent resale out of them because I don't f my shit up. Can't see anything with this bush. And I guess last but not least, when it comes to performance, I don't have a plan right now to boost it. I'm really just trying to nail the visuals, interior, keep it clean. Really what I'm looking to do right now. So really no idea to boost it. Not really in the current plan of ideas. Now, 373 gears, definitely in the plan of attack. Probably the big performance thing that I'd like to do sooner than later. Just because they really do make it rowdy in town. It's so much fun driving 373s and Newedges. Yep. that's about the plan. Guess the only thing I need to do is go home, buy a couple of these 2-tree things I'm talking about, and then go work so I can have money to make these videos for you guys. God damn. Alright guys, so thank you for tuning in to this little video, this little auto vlog. I did buy a setup for a new moto vlog setup. It's gonna be sick. I've got like all the right settings figured out. I've got everything when it comes to actual helmet setup. That's just gonna, oh, it's gonna be so good. I can't wait to start doing that too, because I've had this jank setup going right now on my helmet. So I'll probably make a video on my helmet setup just for you that do ride and would like to know what I use. It's a pretty basic setup, everyone uses it, but there's a reason everyone uses it, because it's just the best. So I guess with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.